Hello everyone! Good morning student! Today we are going to learn about adjective clause and adverb clause. In English, sometimes one sentence is not enough. So we add more information to make it clear. And that's what we will learn today. Before we start, let's see our goals for today. After the lesson, you will be able to first understand adjective clause and adverb clause. And the second is know the difference. And the last is make a simple sentence. Alright, first let's understand what clause is. A clause is a group of words that has a subject and verb. So actually it looks like a sentence. For example, she is happy. Other example is because it is raining. But here's the important part, not all clauses can stand alone. Some clauses need another sentence to complete the meaning. Now, after understand clause, let's move to the first type, adjective clause. As the name suggests, adjective clause is used to explain a noun. So, it gives more information about a person, thing, or place. Usually it's answered which one and or what kind. Let's look at example. The girl who is singing is my sister. Here we have the girl. But which girl? Who is singing? Who is singing that I both give us more information. Another example, the book that I read is interesting. That I read, it tells us which book. To make adjective clause, we use some common words like who for people, which for things, that for book, and where for place. That word help us connect the idea. Now, let's move the second type, adverb clause. Adverb clause different from adjective clause. Adverb clause explains verb or an action. So, it tells us more about what is happening. Adverb clause can tell us when something happened, why it happened, how it happened, or the condition. For example, I stayed home because I was sick. Because I was sick that I bought, this tells us the reason. Another example, I will go if it doesn't rain. Or I will go if it does not rain. If it does not rain, this shows condition. Common word we use because for reason, when for time, if for condition, although for contrast. So now let's make it simple. Adjective clause explains noun. Adverb clause explains an action. That's the main difference. Let's compare two sentences. First, I did not go to school because I was sick. Because I was sick that I bought. This is explain why. The second, the student who was sick stay home. Who was sick that I bought. This explain which student. So the idea is similar but the function is different. Now, let's look at some common mistakes. Sometimes students mix the word. For example, the boy which is playing, which is for things. So the correct one is the boy who is playing. Another one mistake. I stayed home that I was sick. This is not correct. The correct is I stayed home because I was sick. Alright, now let's try quick practice. Look at this sentence. The girl who is dancing is my friend. And then I sleep early because I am tired. take a moment and think which one is adjective clause and which one is adverb clause. Okay, let's check together. The first sentence is adjective clause. The girl who is dancing is my friend. Who is dancing? It explains the girl. The second sentence is adverb clause. Because I am tired. It explains the reason. Alright students! Today we learn adjective clause explain noun. Adverb clause explain action. I hope this lesson helped you understand better. Thank you for watching and see you next time!